This is a 8 transistor amplifier circuit board. Here used 8 transistor. We can get 500 watt from this circuit. If you want this circuit diagram, please visit the comment link. There are this circuit diagram. This circuit, now I am going to fix this transistor with this circuit board. This 5200 is NPN positive transistor and 1943 is negative transistor PNP. 5200 is NPN positive. This is the driver transistor for negative and this is the driver transistor for positive side. Here is C2073 and A940 for the driver transistor. Now I am going to use this two small heatsink for the driver transistor. It's very important to use heatsink with driver transistor. Because driver transistor makes some hot. For this case I am using this heatsink. If you want to use here also the 1943 and 5200 transistor can be. But it's important to use heatsink. Without heatsink, this transistor makes hot and can be burned. We can use 025 voltage to 70 voltage in this circuit. Now I am going to fix this transistor. This side is 1943 and this side is 5200. We can check. Be careful about this transistor. Place this 4R and this 4R same. Four positive transistor and another 4R negative transistor. If you want this circuit diagram, please visit the comment link. There I have this same circuit diagram. Okay, now need to soldering the transistor leg with the circuit board. Now I am going to soldering this transistor circuit. First two corner need to solder. This corner. Okay, then I can solder every one. Solder nicely. Be careful about short circuit. And must check about the loose contact. Here use 4 pair transistor. 4 pair transistor. 1 pair transistor can make maximum 150 watt. Maximum 150 watt. But here in this circuit, this pair transistor can make maximum 100 watt because this is the local circuit and single voltage. If we use 50 voltage 10 ampere, then we can get 500 watt. If we use 35 voltage the 10 ampere, then we can get 350 watt. Like if we use 60 voltage 10 ampere, then we can get 600 watt from this circuit board, but it will be very dangerous to use 60 voltage to the circuit. Please don't cross the 50 voltage. Please use maximum 50 voltage here in this circuit. Around 40 is good. This is the positive voltage. This full positive. This side is positive transistor. This is the negative voltage. This side used negative transistor. 1 and 4 3 are negative. This is the speaker output. The speaker output from here. And this is full ground. This is the audio input. This is the audio input from here. Now I am going to use the voltage. I am using voltage here. And this is the negative voltage. Red one was the positive voltage, and blue one is the negative voltage, and green one is the ground voltage. Green one is the ground voltage. This full are negative voltage. This one is the positive voltage. This is the ground voltage. This full down is the ground voltage. Now I am going to check the circuit using this speaker. This is 4-layer base speaker. This is the ground voltage for the base speaker. This is the ground voltage, and this is the speaker output. I am not playing any song. I am just touching the audio input. Now I am plugging. Look, it's working well. When you're touching the input, the speaker is playing. Again, I am telling you that if you want this circuit diagram, please visit the comment link. There have this circuit diagram. You can get 2 transistor diagram, 4 transistor diagram, 8 transistor diagram. There are lots of amplifier circuit diagram. Thank you for watching the video.